12 November 2020, and here's Ruukinlahdentie, Bruksviksvägen 5, I think. Still very original. This is the last one in Lauttasaari, with this very mechanical front kitchen with that circle in the middle to be filmed. We have filmed all of them now. There shouldn't be any more. It was built in 1956, turning 65 years old in the next year, 2021. The serial number is H6721, and it's got 5 floors. It will be inspected in 2022. We found some more codes here.
Yeah.
Apparently you have also found one, we'll get there.
Yeah.
This is so amazing. Such an amazing day.
Yeah.
I think I have filmed like 13 elevators here.
Yeah.
Stay strict today. And you have filmed 16.
Yeah.
But still not over, still a little bit more.
Yeah. Yeah, we can film other building when I guess the code. Just, yeah. It has 2 elevators, gated elevators, original 50s elevators.
Yes, we'll film those also.
Yeah.
Then I have filmed 15 today.
Yeah.
There are 2 of them.
Dit paikki vain pitänyt meidän paikka on.
Yeah. And everything is still original here.
Yeah.
A bit of floor numbers have changed, but
Yeah.
floor indicator.
Yeah. That's